If you guys are cruising out of the Port of Galveston anytime soon and you haven't reserved your parking yet, let me help you out. And if you guys don't know who I am, I'm DeAndre. I'm the owner of Melanin Pride Travels. And if you need help booking your next cruise or land travel vacation, head on over to the link in my bio to get started. Okay, so when you're going online to reserve your parking for the Port of Galveston, you have a whole bunch of options available to you. So I'm gonna give you guys my 2 recommendations for when you are cruising out of the Port of Galveston and you need somewhere to park. And I'm also gonna share with you a little bonus tip. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so my first recommendation should come obvious to you guys is the Port of Galveston. The Port of Galveston has about 14 to 15 lots available for each of their cruise terminals, and I'm gonna go through a couple of them and just give you guys the prices. So for Terminal 10, this is where Royal Caribbean docks their cruise ships. So if you're selling on Harmony of the Seas, Mariner of the Seas, Symphony of the Seas after in March, or Liberty of the Seas, I think when spring rolls around. These are going to be your rates. So you are looking at about $25 to $32 per day, and this does not include taxes and fees. So for a 7-day cruise, I'm just looking at my cruise stuff. You are looking at a range of $177.59 all the way up into $223.05, and that does not include taxes and fees. If you are cruising out of Terminal 16, where Norwegian Cruise Line and MSC will be docking starting in November, you are looking at around the same cost at about $25 to $32 per day, with prices ranging from $185.16 all the way up into $253.36. And then finally, you have Terminal 25 and 28. This is primarily where Carnival, Disney, and Princess docks out of. So with them, you are looking at about $26 to $28 per day, and you are looking at a range of $177.59 all the way up into $200.32. And like I said, this does not include taxes and fees. Now let's move on to option number 2. Option number 2 is lighthouse parking. Okay, so for lighthouse parking, you're looking at about $22 per day for covered parking and then $20 a day for uncovered parking. So for your 7-day cruise, you're looking at about $140 for uncovered, and I think $155 for covered parking. So whether you choose the Port of Galveston or you choose lighthouse parking, let me give you guys the easiest way to get the best price. So for the Port of Galveston, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to their Facebook page, because that's where they post all their promo codes. So right now for 2025, as of September 2025, the promo code is Labor Day 25, and you get $10 off your parking. Or if you're selling on Symphony of the Seas, they have, I think, cruise parking 25, and it gives you $5 off. However, let me give you a way that you can save, like, I think it's $10 more on parking. So my other little secret tip that I don't know if everybody knows about this, but create an account with the Port of Galveston. When you create that account, they will give you a $10 credit to use towards parking. And the thing about it is you don't have to use it all. So if you want to use $5 of that, you can use $5. If you want to use $2 of it, you can use $2. If you want to use all of it, use all of it. So if you take that and you stack it with the coupon that you get from Facebook, you get $20 off your parking. And not only that, since you create an account, you also are a loyalty member. So every time that you cruise and you choose the Port of Galveston, you will obviously start racking up points. And then finally, for lighthouse parking, all you gotta do is go over to their website, lighthouseparking.org, and you'll just click coupons, and then it'll show you the 2 coupons that they have available. So right now it's Labor Day for $10 off and 2025 for $5 off uncovered parking. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, or if you found it helpful or informative in any way, shape, or form, hit that like button for me on your way out and comment down below, what are you looking forward to on your next cruise? And don't forget to share this video with anybody and everybody that you know. But until next time, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and happy cruising. Bye.